Hello friend, what you see here, it is all new third generation BMW X1. It is just been driven, and this video will talk about the key details you need to know about it. The X1 is the entry point to the BMW XUV range, and the latest model look the path mini like vibe about it as it is now BMW, but the grille does not look more stylish than expected. You get the latest version of BMW inside. The new S is the latest in drive 8 system and voice command players. The air conditioning system played a role in you interaction with the car on the dashboard stage, and interestingly there were only a few physically buttons on this dashboard usually used for volume control, and the model the actor added had a unique floating central logel, and those options will be the suite including front side and head bag as well as an interaction bag that will deploy between the drive and front passenger in the event of a side impact, and the active bonnet that floats down on impact to reduce injury in the bad experience. Runs listed as a standard 8. Auction will also be offered, although in the remain to be seen whether these come to India, as there are two more plug-in the hybrid side to be achieved soon, with the most interesting one for India being the X1 X Drive.